And we've been talking about fixing this for years. I think Nancy Pelosi's been talking about this for 15, 20 years, Hugh. Why isn't it happening?
Well, there's just really, as you mentioned, a huge need. About 9% of Americans believe that wireless and internet service is either essential or very important to them, and especially when it comes down to the education side of the factor there. And what's happening is the money for the big telecom companies aren't being pushed toward that area of country because the return on investment isn't high. And we keep on leaving the rural area behind, and we get this digital divide. That word is used a lot. And the reason for that is, again, return on investment. We're not getting money down to the local governments to build out these areas for the service to their communities, which they need it for education primarily, because right now, about 30% of all people in rural areas use their schools and libraries as the primary source of internet service. 30%, and over 40 million people in rural areas don't have adequate or even any high-speed internet service available to them.